Hello, Jim Techbo's new product in from JBL, and it's their new earbuds, the Reflective Aero. Also stay tuned for another unboxing on this one here as well later on in a separate video. But this is about these guys here. So you've got ANC, rugged, waterproof, perfect calls, and you've got IP68 water rating, which is pretty cool. Adaptive noise cancelling and perfect calls. And on the back there, that's what it looks like here. So it's in the typical JBL packaging, as you can see. Your app, both on Android and iOS, and you've got 15 minutes charge, give you 4 hours. ANC on 7 hours plus 14, ANC off 8 plus 16. So you've got extreme waterproof and dust proof. You have got true adaptive noise cancelling with 4 mics with smart ambient, which is good, and you've got power fins for secure fit. So for athletes and so on, that's pretty good. You've also got dual connect built into these as well, so that's pretty handy to have, and everyone likes that kind of option these days as well. And that's pretty much it. So we're just going to unbox them for you now, give you a quick look. If you have any questions, drop them below, because I'm going to be away on my holidays by the time you see this, and I'll have these with me for testing, which is pretty cool. And let's get into it now and see what they look like. So we'll take off the bottom tabs. Okay. So this is what we're going to get here. Open up like so, and you get a really cool presentation. So let's pop all these bits out bit by bit. So pull them there, put them there, put them there, and in the bottom we have got our quick start guide and product registration, all that kind of stuff in there, which most people don't bother reading, but that's what you're going to get, so you can have a look anyway. In here, what have we got? Right, which way is this open? I like to try and keep all these in good nick. So up top we have got some extra tips, and you've got wings underneath there, as you can see. Power wings, power fins, 2 different sizes, and an orange cable, so pretty cool. And the orange cable of course has got JBL. So that's what they look like up close. Pretty cool indeed. So I'm just going to pop all that back together. And close that up. Next is the case. So the case comes with a lanyard built in, which is nice. And that's pretty much it there. Get rid of that. So the case has got this lanyard, it's got JBL branding up front. Opens up like so with your connection points there. You can see a nice LED light up front. And you've got another one in there by the looks of it. USB-C port on the bottom as well. So I like this effect here. And finally, onto the earbuds themselves. So that's what they look like up close. So you can see you've got your centers there for auto play and pause, and your connection point in that nice design inside, and your wings here, which are already fitted, and a nice finish on top as well with the JBL logo. So not buttons, it's a touch sensitive area, and that's basically what they want to look like there. And what we'll do is we'll pop them into the case and see what happens. So make sure they go in the right way. And that's it there. And that's what they look like in the case, yeah. And that is an LED light, as I suspected earlier on. And let's see. fairly decent magnet on them too, so they're not going to just drop out if you happen to drop your case, which can happen. So it will be nice to see how we get on with these over the next week or two, so stay tuned after the break, or should I say in a week or two, and of course drop your questions below, and don't forget to stay tuned for the quantum stream as well later on. But that's it. Any questions, drop them down below, we'll gladly answer. And do check out the last JBLs we did, which are pretty cool as well, and one of my favourites this year so far. So I'll talk to you in the next video, and thanks for watching.